Hi, today we have in focus AI Arbitrage, a platform that promises to make cryptocurrency trading easy, profitable, and safe. Only honest reviews because I decided to test its work myself. I started with a minimum deposit of $250, tested their automated trading bot, and guess what? In just a week, my balance grew to $700. That's really impressive, and you're in luck right now. AI Arbitrage is offering a $50 bonus on your first deposit so you can start trading with an extra edge. In this video, we'll break down everything from registration and interface to user reviews from Singapore. Is this platform suitable for beginners and professionals? Spoiler, it seems to be suitable for everyone. Follow the link in the description to sign up and get your bonus now. So let's start with the basics. AI Arbitrage is a platform that makes cryptocurrency trading available to everyone. Registration here is so simple that even a beginner can cope. You just need to fill out the form, confirm your data, and make a minimum deposit of $250. After that, you immediately get access to the tools of the platform. The interface of the platform is really convenient. You can use it both on your computer and through the mobile app. This is especially useful for Singaporeans who are used to managing everything on the go. And the platform also supports many languages, including English, which makes it understandable and accessible. Now about the most important thing, automation. AI Arbitrage uses a trading bot that works for you. The bot analyzes the market 24/7, tracking changes and making deals according to the set parameters. This means you don't need to be online all the time. Even if you're busy, the platform keeps working. It is especially nice that the bot is optimized for use in Singapore, where there is high-speed internet and access to many exchanges. This makes the trading process as fast and convenient as possible. In addition, the platform offers tools for risk management. You can set up transaction limits and control your budget, which is important for both beginners and experienced traders. If you want to try it yourself, the registration link is already waiting for you in the description, and a $50 bonus will make your start even more pleasant. Now let's turn to the reviews. Users from Singapore note that the platform is really easy to use. Many praise the automation. The bot saves time and makes trading less stressful. One user wrote that thanks to AI Arbitrage, he was able to earn $400 in a week just by customizing the bot's settings. But as everywhere, there are some criticisms. Some mention delays in withdrawals, which may be related to banking processes. However, the support service quickly solves these issues, which is also noted in the reviews. When it comes to money, reliability is a priority. AI Arbitrage provides a high level of security. Data is protected. The platform uses encryption to keep your data safe. User funds, stored in isolated accounts, eliminating the risk of loss. Transparency, works with international exchanges and provides all necessary documentation. Some people wonder, is it a scam or not? Judging from the reviews and my experience, AI Arbitrage is indeed a working trading tool that suits users from Singapore. So what have we learned? AI Arbitrage is a user-friendly and secure platform that is perfect for beginners and professional traders alike. Pros: easy registration and $50 bonus. Automated trading bot that does the work for you. Easy to use in Singapore and reliable support. Minuses: possible delays in withdrawals due to banking procedures. Bottom line, AI Arbitrage is a decent choice if you want to trade without unnecessary complications. Want to try it? Follow the link in the description, register and get your bonus $50 today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like so you don't miss new reviews and tips on cryptocurrencies.